welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to access dark web on your cell phone. You're using a cell phone, and in this video you will be accessing dark web through learning. And in this video you will be also going to learn how you can reach out to different black markets, the dark web markets, in which you will be able to buy and sell your products, those products which are illegal, which you can't find on your right web. You must have heard of the dark web, that is elusive, that has got all the illegal activities going on. But today we are going to learn how you can access it personally. A lot of bloggers use the dark web in order to publish their papers, not to be to keep the anonymity. A lot of people use dark web to secure themselves, to hide from governments or a lot of people, whatever the reason they have. But mostly the dark web is used for their illegal activities. So today's video is related to the information on how you can access the dark web. In common sense and normal category, there are three types of webs. There is a clear web, there is a deep web, and there is a dark web. The 96% is your dark web. So a clear web is something you search on normally, go to Google and search something. And in deep web, that is login and password based, like your Facebook account, your Gmail account, that's called your deep web. And dark web is something that that must be accessed through different browser and different search engines. So today in this video, let me tell you how you can access it. So for that, all you have to do, go to your app store. In search bar, search for the most anonymous browser, and that's for the dark web. To write down Tor, T-O-R. Click on search, and in here get the Tor browser. That is the private browser, that is the most secure web surfing. Nobody knows what you're using. I'll be explaining everything in detail. Just go and click on get it, let it download, and I'll show you the advanced feature of it and how you can access the dark sites without getting known that who you are. Alright, as your Tor browser is downloaded, click on Tor browser. You must know that the Tor browser uses onions. What I mean by onions is the onion, if you know, is made of layerings. So different layer hides a different story. So your location, which is the center of onion, is hidden by the layers. So nobody knows where you are. You can see in here there are a lot of built-in ad blockers. Nobody is going to show ads, because through advertisement even your location can be traced. So there is no cookies in it. You can even control them. I will explain each and every detail of you. You can download, there are a lot of features, and anti-theft alarm. So what you're gonna do is click on start. So in here we got into the Tor browser. So in here what you're gonna do is click on Tor browser. Okay, again click on it. So we are in the search browser of Tor. So we are connecting to the Tor networks, and everything you search, everything you go for is hidden online. After this, I'll be explaining you now that how you can get into the markets, that is the dark web market. There you get all the illegal things that are available. So let me show you how you get it. Let this complete its search. Alright, now we are getting inside the Tor. So go in here, search for the dark web markets. Dark web markets. Click on search. As we have searched dark web markets, there are a lot of dark web markets, but we are going into the number one, that is the topmost market. That is your empire market. We'll open this list, that is the darknet market list 2020. We're gonna click this one, and inside that you will find out that the empire market, which is the largest dark web market and is the most trusted market available. So this is one more step of verification. Click on I'm a human. So we have verified that we are human. Now we can see that darknet market list. In here, the first is your empire market. that is the largest dark web market, and we are going to serve how to make registration with the Empire market. First we are going to learn this one, and in future videos I'll tell you other dark web markets except the Empire market. So first we're going to the Empire market and see what we can see there. Click on the link. So when you come down, there are a lot of links. It gets confusing. So you come down here and you're gonna click this one, Empire market URL. The official Empire market URL is this one. Click on it. Or any of the link which gets slower or does not open, try to open the other links. For example, these are the other links available. Click on any one of them. So now we are inside the Empire market, but before getting inside the Empire market, you must know that there are a lot of verification involved, because they want to protect you. They don't want bots to enter in the market. So first clarify these dots. Tick those dots which are completely colored. For example, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and click on verify. And in here, this is the important most thing you have to complete. This is the information, because you have to register first. In registration, no email is required, no phone number is required, because you want to hide your anonymity, your location, your address. So first we are going to fill this form. Try to fill with the username. You have to remember this username, because this username is going to be used in future for login and password. If they're asking for login phrase, write anything. Like I'm going to write down Don, same thing. And we are not inviting any user, so leave it as it is. And you have to write this captcha down. As you have write the captcha, click on join Empire market. Alright, as we have already clicked on join the Empire market, we reach to a next page. In here we have to copy the mnemonic that is written in these small words in these different font. Copy these words, and this is the pattern. Always in Empire market, they always follow the same pattern of verification. Copy it and paste it, the mnemonic in here. Click paste and continue. So I'll be performing the remaining steps on my MacBook Pro. They are exactly same as you perform them on cell phone. Alright, when we click on continue, we have an option for again login and password. You must remember the login, your ID. I have dash 123 and the password is and in here we're gonna write the captcha. Alright, now we are in the Empire market, and in here you can see all the services provided by the dark web. In here you can see the date I joined, my level, and how much amount I have, because I can deposit the amount if I want. You can purchase through Bitcoin and other currencies. So you see the cocaine and all drugs being sold in the dark web, all the medicine and all the things you can find in the browser category. There's fraud, drugs and chemicals, guiding, tutorial, counterfeit items, digital products, jewels, whatever you want. There are a lot of things that are being sold at the dark web. You can just see it all downstairs. Jewels and gold, digital products, digital products, you find different things. And you can personally buy these products through whatever you want, Bitcoin wallet tracker, food, whatever you want. Everything is available on the dark web. It comes with a price. The price is written, which is really low compared to the market. And I hope you find this video really helpful. If you do so, because a lot of people were wondering how you can access dark web, it's very simple, very easy. And if you think this video helps you, please make sure to leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel, because we keep on making these types of videos to help